Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to update your U.S. passport application information online in 2026. Sometimes applicants need to correct details like name, address, phone number, or other personal information. And doing it correctly ensures your passport is processed smoothly without delays. First, log into your USCIS or State Department passport account. Use the email and password linked to your application. Complete any two-step verification if prompted to ensure secure access. Next, go to your application dashboard. Locate the passport application you want to update. Select the option labeled Edit Application or Update Information to begin. Now carefully update the necessary details. Type your information exactly as it should appear on official documents. Double-check spelling, dates, and numbers to avoid mistakes that could cause delays. After that, review all changes before submission. Make sure every field is correct and complete. Some changes cannot be undone after submitting, so a careful review is crucial. Next, submit the updates. Click Save or Submit and wait for the confirmation message. Do not refresh the page or navigate away until you see the success notice. Then check your email for confirmation. USCIS or the State Department usually sends a notification verifying the update. Save this email as proof for your records. Finally, monitor your application status regularly. Updates may take a few days to reflect in the system. Continue checking for any follow-up messages or mailed correspondence. So yeah, updating your passport application online means logging in, editing the application carefully, reviewing all changes, submitting, saving confirmation, and monitoring status to ensure everything is accurate and on track. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay accurate, and I'll see you in the next guide.